Hi. Installing R is pretty easy no matter what computer you have. Just go to your favorite search engine and you want to type in R CRAN. That's the Comprehensive R Archive Network, and this holds all the versions of R you might need. And you can download the installation file for whatever system you're using, Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. I just do the Windows version. And typically you just want the base version or the install R for the first time link, and you'll get an exe or corresponding file for Mac or Linux. And once you have it, you can simply run that, and it takes you through the typical installation dialog. So you can pick your language, there's a sign-off form, destination folder. Typically you want all the possible files you can get, core, 32, and 64-bit. And you can specify if you want to customize any additional options. I think I need to do that, make a startup folder, the usual stuff. That's all you really need to do to let it unpack and install R. Thank you.